Welcome to Syntec Computer and Application Setting. Today, I will teach you how to boost window graphic performance. What is window graphic performance? Window graphic performance is where, for example, you use editing softwares to work, and you notice that the response of the application is very slow. This happens because the window graphic performance is not faster enough to carry the work that you're doing, and it makes every application that you use graphics work slow. So to boost the performance of every application you're using on your computer, either editing softwares or whatsoever, you need to do something within your system. So this is what I'm going to teach you right now. So you click on Settings, go to System, Display, look for Graphic, look for Advanced Graphic Setting, Hardware as related, GPU scheduling is off. You have to put it on. When you do this, what it's going to do is going to speed up. Setting this allows Windows to offload most GPU scheduling to the hardware, which can improve performance and reduce latency. Okay, so most of the time you'll be working with your system on editing softwares. You notice that the performance of the software application, it is not what you expect it to be. And you may think that the issue is from the application. Now, the issue is from your graphic that is integrated within the system. So this setting will help to boost up and make every application you're using that uses graphic work faster. Do this and restart your application. You can see the difference. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Have a good day.